take a desk break with some yoga poses that we're going to do at our desk. This is part of our standing desk yoga series. You can use your desk and a chair. It's mainly for balance today. And let's begin. Today we're going to start standing. So look down at your feet, parallel your feet. And then if you're comfortable, allow your eyes to close. Find your breath drawing in and out through your nose. And imagine a line of energy from tailbone to crown of head. This is Sushumna energy. And imagine this pulsation of drawing into this energy and expanding outward from this energy. Maybe you imagine a beautiful white light. Whatever works for you. Maybe it's a sound. And notice how your body is responding to this, and let your body shift and move as it would like. And then let's expand outward. From the inside out, that light is shining out all the way through the skin. How far out is it expanding? It's your choice, what you feel comfortable with. It could be 1 foot, 3 feet, 300 yards. It's personal preference. And notice again the shift as you align with your optimal alignment. And now gently open your eyes. Let's get some mobility in our hips. Keep your shoulders still. Keep the rest of your body as still as you can. And circle your hips one direction, doesn't matter which. But take note of how that shifts the weight on your feet. And see how round you can make these circles. And then go in the opposite direction. Just feeling how the shifts in the body when certain muscles engage, certain other muscles relax. Kind of fun to feel. And now come back to center. Inhale, arms out to the side. Let's get our thoracic spine a little low. Keep your hips still for this one. They got some movement. Exhale, twist to the left. Keep the arms out to the sides. Engage the arms. So pulling energy from the fingertips into the center of the shoulders and from the center of the shoulders out through fingertips. And then inhale back to center. And then exhale to the right. And notice if your hips just want to do all the work for you. And just right now, we're focused more on the torso doing that action. Inhale back to center. Exhale, float the arms down. At this point, for balance, you can grab the chair back or your desk or nothing. We're going to stand on one leg. Baby dancer. Bend your right knee. Right hand grabs the right foot. Now you notice that the right knee wants to come forward, and so you bring it back. Press the foot into the hand and lift the chest. If you have a lot of balance, you can reach your left arm up to the sky. Otherwise, keep the left hand connected with something grounded, the desk, the chair back. And keep focusing on your right rib cage moving left. So you're staying a little more centered. Feeling how the weight, the strength of your right foot really is opening the right shoulder. And then release, going to the other side. Bending left knee, grabbing the foot, and then pushing the foot into the hand. Chest lifts. You're feeling uplifted, not down, lift. If you want a little more specifics, you could focus on your left pinky toe. I said it was specific. And take your left pinky toe more towards the ground. Well, that'll make you think. And release. Take a breath. Now we're going into our calves. Look at your feet. Make sure first they're parallel, and then just try it. Just try lifting the heels and lowering. And then I'll give you some more instruction to make it easier. So you'll notice when you lift how you tend to roll to the outsides of the feet, right? I don't want to do that. That's what happens when you sprain your ankles. So we want to strengthen those muscles to prevent injury. So push down through the balls of the big toes. That's trick 1. And trick 2 is take your outer shins and move them in. And now try again. Lift the heels up and down. And lift the heels up and then down. Outer shins draw in as you lift up and down. Up and down. Up and down. And up and down. Now we've done a few, so we're going to go up and hold, 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 and then lower. You can always grab something that's not moving to help you. Lift up and down, up, down, up, down. Outer shins in, push down through the balls of the feet, and inhale, lift the heels high, hold, and slowly exhale, lower. Inhale, lift, hold, lower, lift, hold, lower, and lift, hold, and lower. Up and down, up and down. Going back up to the shoulders for a moment. Just roll the shoulders forward. And now roll the shoulders backward. And now roll them forward. And roll them backward. Just for fun, make your mind think a bit. Let's go backwards again. Ha ha ha. Changed it. You got to do something to make it different. And then roll the shoulders forward. And nice big shrug with the shoulders. Squeeze. And release. Inhale, arms overhead. Oh, and then exhale. The left arm comes down and reach over with the right arm, up and over to the left. Oh, inhale up, left arm reaches up and right arm down, lift up and over to the right. Oh, nice lateral side stretch. Inhale up, take the arm down. Let's take our hands to the desk or to your chair back and walk back into a modified down dog. Lift the arm bones up and pull the chest through. And then walk your feet forward. Gently allow your eyes to close. Checking back in with your posture, maybe adjusting. And choose how you want to take this renewed sense of energy throughout the rest of your day. I appreciate you joining me and sharing your yoga practice. I look forward to hearing your comments down below. Which was your favorite pose today? And let me know if there's any yoga asanas you want me to focus on next. And I look forward to working with you again very soon. Namaste.